sa damit na ito.
Binilan niya ako ng damit.
Bye-bye, iingat ka. I love you, sobra. Yun lang. Umulan na. Tara na.
Kiss nga eh. Kiss. Okay. Hey guys. Guess where I'm going today? I'm going to Singapore. Someone's calling me right now. Hello? Kasama sa vlog ko. Nag-vlog ako ngayon. Ano? Vlogger na ako. Bye guys! Bye! Ito kasi yung tingin mo yung inaano mo yung mga ano doon. Yung nagka-camera doon. Ito nga yung vlog ko. Wala nga ako intro eh. Ayun yung mga aeroplano guys oh. Kita nyo, kita nyo. Playlist. Travel playlist. Sino yan? Si... Ay, mag-focus. Kev Abby. Hey guys, so we're at our hotel. We're staying at Amara. Room review. Ay, may sink naman agad. Wow!
Ang bed.
Yung Bjorn. Fit check. Hey guys, it's our first day in Singapore. Where are you going, bro?
We're going to Mustafa.
Mustafa? Is that a character in Lion King? Ayan. This is Singapore.
Starbucks right under the...
Oh, yung pala eh. Di ba 24 hours?
Let's check.
So excited.
I need to buy a cake.
Hey guys, we're here at Mustafa looking for the perfume. It's like a huge department store, but it looks like ano, Quiapo. Yung mga mall sa Quiapo, di ba te? Parang ganun lang siya. Pero yung price niya, the price is not giving Quiapo. It's giving hell, $15 for this. 200 pesos lang to. Or 300 sa ano guys. Sa atin.
That's so crazy.
Buti na lang. Ito, $18. Bro, kakabili ko lang 239 kahapon. Sa Watson sa may BGC.
Your vlog
Grabe.
is just going to be
Ang mahal ng
you. Sui? Ano?
Sui.
India walk.
Ano?
Little India walk.
Walk? We're going to Little India Walk. Ano ba? Walk as in walk?
Yeah.
Ay, walk pala. Akala ko may ano. We're going to walk to Little India. Ano, may cross dito? Oo. Huh? Ay. Damn. That's her worst fear. Kahit sa Japan, pag tatawid kami, wala, di na siya tatawid. Kasi may crow. It's raining and we don't have any umbrella. What's up guys? We're here right now at Boogies. And we saw something. Labubus, and Crybaby. Look at this Crybaby. It's a leopard print na may cat. So cute. So cute. And madami din clothes here, guys. It's like DV. But the price is not DV. It's MOA. MOA. Dito ata kami bibili ng pasalubong, guys. May mga kaplas. Ito si Bon, yung kapatid ni Bea. Looking at
Kaya, Bon.
foods right now.
8 pieces? Why do they only...
Ay, mainit pa yan eh. Bumili siya, guys, ng Singapore palitaw. Di ba yan yun? Palitaw. And
What do they call it?
jumbo sausage.
It's tapioca kue. What?
Kue.
Mm.
Yummy. I bought a crepe, guys. A chocolate banana crepe. There's no Nutella banana, only chocolate banana. Ang laki niya.
Oh, that looks so good.
Hey guys, so I forgot to update you na. Pero may nakita kaming reseller ng mga labubo. Yung ito, yung bago. Look how much. $129. 5,600 pesos for one labubo. So, it turns out, guys, na mas expensive dito. Kaya, sa Pilipinas na lang bibili. Bakit mas expensive? Dapat na mas mura. Kasi Sephora na yun. So far, wala pa kami nabibili. Kahit isa. Kasi lahat mas expensive. Hey guys, so madami na kami nabili na pasalubong. Look at all those. Pakita mo, pakita mo.
value dollar daw.
Look at all those pigeons. Hey guys, so guess what we are going to eat? Oh my gosh. So yummy. Okay.
Nasawsaw na yung buhok niya.
Hey guys.
Only buying things. I'm sorry.
Hey guys, it's now day 2 of our Singapore trip and we're back at Sephora, a different Sephora, and this one has Fenty Beauty. Yeah, and I only have $50 left, so I'm thinking about what I'm gonna get. What's up, chat?
What's up, chat? W's in the chat. Thank you.
Going to eat Thai food, guys. Ano pa kulang? So, guys, now we're eating ice cream sandwich from this dude. Rainbow bread with strawberry. Sa kanya, anong flavor sete? Anong flavor?
Chop chip.
Guys, nawawala yung train card niyan. Ngayon, hindi na kami makaalis. It's here daw, pero wala pa din.
pockets do I have?
Ano ba naman tong taong to? Now we are approaching the Merlion. Yan na, doon na tayo sa kabilang nga ako. This is our third day and we're riding a double
Next stop,
decker bus.
opposite Customs Port Branch HQ.
So guys, ang dami na nangyari. Nakalimutan ko na mag-vlog. Pero ano, nag-ano kami, nag-cart kami, and ano tawag doon yung paakyat? Skyline. Basta yung paakyat, tapos takot na takot ako. Kasi sobrang taas. Tapos,
Ano yung takot?
tapos, actually guys, alam mo na-observe ko dito. Yung mga teenager, ang dami naka-cortis na ano din, na copy. Halata kasi, ano yung anipis, hindi mo lang good copy yung binibili nila. Hey, angas guys, diba? Angas guys. Awa. May dinosaur! Dito tayo ngayon guys sa Cloud Forest. And first time ko makakita ng dinosaur. Bawal daw sila pakainin actually. Si ate basang-basa. Ang dami nagpapapicture dito sa may fountain pero basang-basa na sila. First time ko makakita ng dinosaur. Wala, baka kainin sila. Yun din yun eh. Sasabi ko eh.
Yeah.
We're eating now, guys. And we bought from Brandy Melville.